This is the stock pinion. It's 22 pin, mod 0.6, and we're going to upgrade it to a 33 tooth pinion. So that's 11 more teeth, and we're going to see what's going to happen to the motor and see if it survives. And we'll see how fast it goes. Today I'm going to go through just a small change that I've done to my WLtoys 104001. I've installed a different size pinion. Just open it up. And, okay, so here it is, guys. You can see I've installed a bigger pinion. It's a 33 tooth pinion, 0.6. So there's the factory pinion, and I don't know if you can see from where you are, but this is the upgraded pinion in there. Well, not really upgraded, but it's just a bigger pinion, 33 teeth. So that's 11 more than the stock 22 teeth. So it should actually improve the speed of the car. Whether or not this motor survives, I don't know. But I'll take it easy and I'll do a speed run just to see how much more speed we can gain out of this bigger pinion. It's quite a big pinion. Actually, I bought this pinion for my FS Racing 53632, the Baja buggy, and I was going to install it there. But before I do, I'll just give it a quick run in here and see how it goes on this car. So as you can see, I had to remove the center assembly housing. So obviously it's not going to fit inside here anymore, so I just have to remove that. And now I just have to make sure that none of these wires are going to get tangled with any moving parts. I had to use, what did I do? I had to take the motor out to be able to get access to the pinion. It is Loctited, the grub screw, and I just used a bit of heat. This is what I use. It's from the kitchen. My daughter uses it in the kitchen when she cooks her I don't know what she does, but she does cooking, and yeah, she just is a butane torch pretty much. So they're really cheap. I think $10. Yeah, comes in really handy for me. So I heated up the pinion to be able to get the grub screw out, and then I what else did I have to heat up? I think that was it. Oh, actually, I had to heat up the screws for the motor mount adjustment. Otherwise, they wouldn't budge. So yeah, those screws are definitely Loctited in as well. So you need to heat them up to be able to loosen those screws. If you want to be able to have more runtime, you can actually combine two of them. Actually, you can actually double the capacity. So instead of 2200, you'll get 4400, which is pretty cool if you want to have a longer runtime. Gives you more time to burn out your motor. But I'll just show you that this strap is actually long enough to cater for two batteries, so it's nice and snug. And then you need to put your splitter cable. Well, it's not a splitter cable, but it's a this is just one I made. They're only a few dollars on eBay or Amazon or anywhere. You can buy them for a few dollars. It's called a parallel cable. So make sure you get a parallel cable, not a series cable. And yeah, it basically doubles the capacity of the battery. You got to make sure you got to have two batteries that are exactly the same spec. Yeah, so then I just plug these into here, and then into the car, into the ESC. So this is one I made this this cable myself, this splitter, but you know, I had some parts lying around. I can just easily easily solder it together. But yeah, you can either buy your own or make your own. So now that's connected up. It's still 2S, and yeah, actually I'll just turn this on to see how it goes. We've got pretty good meshing here, so I'm pretty happy with that. And yeah, oh, by the way, you might have noticed this tail wing. This is a 1/8 scale tail wing. I found it in my parts bin. I hadn't used it yet. I didn't know what I was going to put it on. And I thought, yeah, I'll just chuck it on here. It's actually mounted by these two arms here that I 3D printed. Something I downloaded off the internet, and then I modified it a bit so that it'll fit here. And yeah, that's how it looks at the back. So I had to have the wing pretty high up compared to usual. I'll just show you when it bottoms out. There's still quite a bit of space there, which is good. So I can still put my finger in there. It's not going to hit the wheels. Okay. All right. Well, I was going to test this out, wasn't I? So let's just turn on the transmitter. Okay. And I've got the fan. I've actually got the fan installed on the LED port, which doesn't turn on until there we go. It doesn't turn on until I bind it by turning the steering. If you haven't seen my previous video, I actually had to mod this so that it's only in 2-wheel drive. I've only got the rear wheels working at the moment. There's no drive shaft here connected for the front because of the breakage in the bevel gear. So I was forced to just run this in 2-wheel drive for now. At least I can use it while I'm waiting for parts. Alright, well, now that we're bound, I'll just give it a... There we go. I'll turn the volume down a bit because it'll be too loud for you. But here it goes, full throttle. Yeah, so I'll take this out, give it a test run. I'll do a speed test, see if it survives, see if the motor survives, see if the ESC survives. I've got plans for this car to upgrade it to a brushless system. So these are the sort of things that I want to tinker around with before I do that. Alright, and hopefully it's just for fun, guys. So I just want to see how fast I can get this on the stock motor, but with a bigger pinion. So yeah, stand by for the speed run. Alright guys, this is the 2S speed run on the 33 tooth pinion. It's going to be a quick one. Just turn it on. Okay. You know, zero it out. Let's see how fast this goes on the 33 tooth. Remember, it's only 2-wheel drive, guys. Whoops. Okay. Full throttle. And back. Let's see what we got here. 51 k's an hour. 2S on a 33 tooth pinion. That's not too bad, guys. Alright guys, well there you have it. That was 51 k's an hour on the 33 tooth pinion. Did a real good job. Gained about 10 kilometers per hour. Alright guys, well that was a bit of fun. Car held up alright on 2-wheel drive. I wonder if it'd be faster if it was 4-wheel drive, but it seems that the motor didn't get too warm at all. Though I didn't run it for very long. But yeah, it did alright, I think. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.